Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 76265, the Batwing, Batman versus the Joker from Lego DC Comics. 357 pieces. Nice Batwing. I actually don't have a Batwing yet. I do have the Batmobile from this same line, so it's like Batmobile, Batman versus the Joker. I have that one. I built it months ago. Like that one a lot. Nice Batmobile. This is a nice looking Batwing, and we get two minifigures. We get Batman and the Joker, and this Joker comes with the hat. Very reminiscent of the Jack Nicholson Joker, of course, from the 1989 film. And I'm looking forward to building this. It looks like a fun set. Here's the back of the box. Up against the silhouette of the moon, just like, the iconic, Batman signal. Stud shooters, open cockpit. Very cool looking set. Looking forward to getting this built. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Batwing. And I'm going to start with the minifigures first, just to get them out of our way. And we'll start with the Batman here. Nice, I like the cowl piece, has the white eyes in it. The cape, I was actually surprised to see it's a fabric cape, not the rubberized cape that we've seen in some iterations of the Batman minifigure. But it's one of the simple ones, it has a single hole in on the top here, so it's very easy to apply. None of the fold over fabric parts, so it's very easy to put on. He does have a double face for Bruce Wayne, of course. Nice printing, no side of arm or side of leg, but the torso printing is really nice. The Joker, very similar to a Joker that we got from the Batmobile from the same set, the same series, not set. The only difference is he's wearing the purple fedora, which this gives off Jack Nicholson 1989 Joker vibes to me. I like this. You know, there is no alternate hair piece. He actually just comes with the fedora and a bald head. I'm okay with that. It would have been kind of nice if they had included maybe a little bit of green trim around the brim of the hat. A dual molded hat would have been very nice to include, but probably would have increased the price of this set. The set was already about $35, $40. So that would have increased the price of this, but it's still a very nice Joker minifigure. On to the actual build. Now, the build of this thing was very easy. It did not take me hardly any time at all. I like the shape of it. Very nice use of the curves on this. Very cool. The underside is all exposed plate and everything, but that's fine. And it's even given you a one of the wall hanging pieces, so you could actually mount this on a vertical surface. So when you look at it, it'd be like that. Very cool. The cockpit opens up here. Inside are the only 3 stickers in the set. They do not detract at all. It's very, very nice. You can position your Batman minifigure in here. It includes some stud shooters right there in the front. You can see the orange sticking out of both of these right here. Great techniques. There's even a hidden little compartment in the back here. If I can get this off, let me see. There's a hidden, yeah, here it goes. Hidden compartment. You can actually store handcuffs and the extra batarang that's in here. It's only held down by 2 studs, so it's very easy to remove, of course. Very nice. I like this set a lot. It was an easy build, and it was a lot of fun. And that brings me to the end of this review. Thank you for watching this far. If you like what you've seen, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Please also consider following me on my other socials, TikTok, Instagram, Blue Sky, Clapper, and Threads, all of which are linked in the description below this video. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.